Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to share folder in Google Drive with link. And in order for us to do this, all we have to do is to head on over web browsers, in which I'm going to use Chrome for this example. Then we are going to search for Drive, and from here I'm going to tap on folders. And let's say I want to share this link, this folder. And all I have to do is to tap on the three lines and then tap on share. From here, as you can see, we actually have other options, which now here at the general access, going to tap on this arrow. And as you see, we have the options to either choose between restricted or anyone with a link. Or if we tap on restricted, whoever I'm going to send the link to will not be able to access this file. But if it's with anyone with the link where you send it to, you, he or she is going to be able to access it. But let's say you want the guy to be able to also edit the files. And what we may have to do is to choose on editor, since he may be able to edit the link and not on commenter and viewer. And from there, once you are done, you're going to tap on copy link, then click on done. And that is how you can actually share a folder Google Drive with a link. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.